Technology. Okay, so lately I've been watching a lot of Marquis Brownlee, also known as NKBHD, to a lot of the internet, or most of the internet. And I've been thinking, maybe I should do tech reviews. I mean, I was already going to, in fact, I've been recording a video on the, man, I can't speak today. But I was actually recording a video earlier today, or starting to record a video on a review for the T3i, which of course is still an amazing camera, even still in 2019, even though this came out 2011. So nearly 9 years ago. But I'm getting also a new smartphone, the Google Pixel 3. The Google Pixel 3a XL, which is the, of course, extra large version, and it has a bigger screen and just a little bit of upgrades. But do you guys want tech reviews? I've just been really inspired by all these tech reviewer channels like Linus Tech Tips, even Peter McKinnon. I think he did a review on the iPad Pro. I'm not sure. And then Marquis Brownlee, of course, he is one of the best tech reviewers on YouTube right now. Austin Evans, all those tech YouTubers. I love technology, I love cameras, so why not combine the two? I do realize I've been changing a lot of the reasons why I'm even doing YouTube, but that's just because I'm trying to find my clique, like my cliche, as a lot of people say. Why is the white balance all weird? It's super warm and skin tones look horrible. Yeah, other than, camera not exactly handling white balance very well right now, because currently that light back there, it's not working for some reason, so I need to replace the bulb, I'm guessing, in it. So I'm using window light right now, so I'm guessing that's why white balance is all weird right now. But tech review, vlogs, and maybe a short film is coming soon. Short film, iffy. I'm coming up with a script right now for one. Definitely gonna put a lot more time and effort into this one than I did the essay. I may even redo the essay like a couple years from now, because like I said in my last video, I'm already looking back at that and cringing, even though I only made that about a month ago. There are birds outside, go away. But like I said, I'm already cringing over the essay. I only recorded that about a month ago. Imagine how much I'm going to be cringing in 2-3 years from now, whenever I'm nearly graduating from high school. But yeah, just a quick little update video. Next video is going to be a review on the Google Pixel 3a. Then the video after that's going to be a vlog. And then the video after that is going to be the T3i review. So I'm going to alternate between vlogs and tutorials and reviews. Anyway, see you all in the next video. Peace.